Hey, to add fingerprint into the Realme Note 50, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Then you have to scroll down and move into the security. From this, scroll down again and select face and the fingerprint unlock. Now input your screen lock method and from this select fingerprint. Now click more again and click I agree. Then from this we have to actually locate the sensor. So the sensor in this smartphone is actually located on the right side, is actually synchronized with the power button. And we have to just keep touching gently this power button. So you have to put your finger on it and then lift and just repeat. You don't have to press on it, just simply touch it. So you have to scan the left side of your fingertip, the right side, every part of your fingerprint you should actually scan to get properly working fingerprint sensor. And now as you can see it's finished. Additionally, you can add another fingerprint by clicking here to add another one, but in my case I don't need to. So as you can see, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.